Hello my creative people, I welcome you back again in this mind-blowing tutorial video where I'm going to show you a simple way to design a flyer for those who sell clothes. Alright, this is just a simple flyer, and when it comes to those who sell clothes or jewelries, they don't need a complex flyer. Alright, they don't need too much elements. All they need is for you to showcase what they do and their name with their details, maybe their contact info and the rest. Alright, if this is the first time watching my video or seeing my video, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel right now before we continue with this video, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so let's see how we can design this simple flyer. Alright, so I've imported a flyer. Here's what we're going to do. So let me resize so that we can start with the design. The first thing I would like us to do is to get our background. Alright, I would like you to follow me closely so that you see how I'll get this background, because this is not a pure white background. Alright, so this is what we are going to do. Alright, so you go to your background, and I know you know where you can get your background here. Then we are going to click on color. Then we are going to make use of plain color, not gradient. Alright, so now let's form this color now. So for you to do that, let me show you what I did. Click on this plus sign. Then we are going to move this place so that we add little blue to our white, because it is white right now. So I would move it to something like this. I think is okay. This side, then this one I'm also going to move this one, so I'll get the best results. Here's what you are getting. So when moving, be looking at that place so I know the color you have picked. Okay, let me check this one. I think this one should be okay. Then after that you click OK. Yeah, I think we got it correctly. Alright, so now the next step is now to write the right up. So you go to your text, then you click edit. So this is just the name of the person. I'm going to make use of my name as a sample, which is David Tech. Alright, then next thing we are going to do is to change the color of our text. So you come to color, we are going to give it a red color. So let's pick color, let's get this red color, then we now edit. So when you pick a color, you know this is a kind of dark red, so I would like us to get a very light red color. So just click on this plus sign, then I'm going to drag these two at this edge. Alright, so it will be pure red. This is how I want it. Right, after that you click OK. Then the next thing we're going to do is now the font. Alright, so you go to font. I'm going to make use of another font in this design, I mean my own font. So I've created a video on how you can add more fonts to your Pixellab. So you can use the method. If you don't have the fonts I'm going to use, you can use the method and get your own font. Alright, so just go and watch the video and you will see how simple it is. It's very simple. Alright, so I'm going to my font. I'm going to choose from my font, so I'll click my font. Then the font I'm going to make use of is called Soccer League. Alright, here's the font here, Soccer League. I hope you can see it very well. So you can go and search for it in your that font or no font, you can get it, Soccer League. Then you use the method I used in how to add more fonts and get your own. So here's the font. Alright, so we have to resize this. Let's make it to be bottom. I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing we are going to use, let me keep it like this. Alright, then the next thing we are going to do is to keep it in a relative position, using our relative position. Alright, then we are going to make it to be aligned vertically by clicking on this one. It's okay. We can go ahead and lock it by clicking this place, and then we lock it. Alright, then the next thing is another desk, which is collections. This C should be capital letter. Alright, then we are going to select another font for this. So you go to your font, I think I will make use of this font. I don't know if it is the same one I used in the design. I would like to make use of this. Right, yeah, I think it's the particular one. So I would change the color of our text to black. This is not actually pure black. Alright, so I will change the color to pure black. Then I will give it a style. Photo style. I'll give it a bold style. It's okay. Then you can keep it like this. Let's keep it this way. Then use relative position also, so that it will be centralize it. It's okay like this. Now the next thing is to contour shapes. Alright, contour shapes. Then we are going to give it a red color. It's okay. Then we have to place it like this. Let me resize this one so that we can see from it. Okay, I think I'll keep it this way. Then the next thing is now to import those images we used. But before then, I would like us to use shapes, then add textures to it. We use shape, then we now add textures to it. So you click on shapes. Alright, then we are going to form a shape like this. See how I'm positioning mine. Okay, we have to copy this shape into 3. Let's see how it will look like, if it will be able to contain the tree. I think it's too much. Let me use position. Okay, I need to reduce it small. Let me reduce them small. I think it's okay like this. You can use your position to keep it in a better way. Alright. Okay, it's okay now. Alright, then the next thing is now to add texture to it. Alright, so you come to texture. Come to texture. Then click on this image icon here. So let me check the way I'm going to make use of. You can download this using your Pinterest app. Alright, you can download it using your Pinterest app. Let me crop this one to get something like this. Yeah, it's okay. Then you go back to that texture. Go back to it. Then on this button, this down button here, on it, enable the button. Okay, it's okay now. And then the second one, you add texture to it again. This one is okay. Then to the last one, let's add texture to it again. Right, let me crop to get something like this. It's okay. I think we are done. Then the next thing is that there's a kind of white stroke to all this. Let's apply white stroke and let the stroke width be at level 2. Is okay. Then to the second one, apply stroke again, and to the third one also apply a stroke to it. Alright, I think we are done with our design. This one is not in good position. It's okay like this now. Alright, so the next thing we have to do is not to get this text. You'll see all kinds of senators. designers in all kinds. Senior tops. Take jewelries is another one. Baya Abaya. Oh my goodness. And many more. Alright, with some full stop. It's okay like this. So let's place it like this way. Then add color to it. Let's give it a color, pure black color. And then we're going to give it a style which is going to be a bold style. Let's get something like this. I think we should use relative position. Okay, let's not use it. Let's just keep it at the center of this image or this shape. Alright, so oh my goodness, I think this red shape is not in relative position, so we have to keep it in a relative position. So let's centralize it. This is the normal way, so let's use position and correct this. Let's use position and correct it. I think it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Then you can now place this one at the center also. It's okay now. Alright, so now the next thing is just call or WhatsApp, and we are done with our design. So we go to test again, call / WhatsApp. And this should be red color. Then we keep it down here. Use relative position also, so that everything will be at the center. Alright, call or WhatsApp, then you add the contact info. If the person have location, you can still put the location for the person. So let me just quickly add my own number. Alright, then you come to this spacing, increase the spacing, then reduce the size. Okay, it's okay. Then the color should be pure black color. Okay, then let's use relative position also. Okay, I think we are done with our design. Alright, I think we got everything correctly. Alright, so this is just a simple way to design a flyer for those who sell clothes and other jewelry stores. Alright, thanks for staying to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.